So it's Saturday morning, afternoonish, and we've got a fitting here that I'm trying to make work for this stupid oil pressure gauge on the M. Anyways, I've always wanted to show you guys our old drill press here. Spit out the words. So I'm going to flip the camera around and we'll show you a little bit. So here it is. I think it's pretty much homemade. You got your lever here that goes up and down. Chuck is an Allen wrench. We get our focusing issue again. Allen wrench, you do that, and then you do the twisty, and you take your drill bit out. When you're ready to hit the run, you hit the go switch here. Away it goes. That's the old drill press. Always wanted to show you guys that because it's just quite the contraption there.